The government and all its institutions stand with the Uttarakhand in this period of calamity. All help will be extended to minimize loss of life and aid in relief efforts. Prime Minister Narendra Modi told this to Uttarakhand MPs today. Going forward, scientific studies will be conducted to understand the cycle of natural calamities in this natural disaster prone state and best practices to be adopted to minimize loss of life and property due to these calamities, he said. Our relief and rescue operations are continuing in full swing and we are doing best to save lives. This is what Uttarakhand Chief Minister Trivendra Singh Rawat has tweeted today. The Maharashtra government will probe celebrities including Bharat Ratna recipients such as cricket legend Sachin Tendulkar and singer Lata Mangeshkar who had tweeted in support of the Centre on Farm Laws. The development comes a day after the Congress demanded a probe by the police into the tweets to find out if the celebrities were pressured by the Bharatiya Janata Party to take the social media in support of the Centre. State Congress's General Secretary and spokesperson Sachin Sawant met State Home Minister Anil Deshmukh with the demand of the probe. Sawant was quoted as saying by Hindustan Times that there was a similar pattern behind these tweets by the celebrities, including Akshay Kumar, Sunil Shetty, sportsperson Sachin Tendulkar, and Saina Nehwal as well. Farmer unions agitating against the three agricultural laws on Monday asked the government to fix a date for the next round of talks soon after Prime Minister Narendra Modi urged them to end their stir and invited them to resume the dialogue. They, however, objected to Prime Minister Modi's remarks in Rajya Sabha that a new breed of agitators called Andolan GV has emerged in the country and said that agitation has an important role in a democracy. Farmer leader Shiv Kumar Kakka, who is a senior member of the Sanyukta Kisan Morcha, which is spearheading the ongoing stir, said that they are ready for the next round of talks and the government should tell them the date and time of the meeting. VK Sasikala, a close aide of former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu J. Jayalalitha, is all set to enter Tamil Nadu on Monday and a big welcome awaits her at Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Sasikala, along with two others, were sentenced to 4 years in prison in a corruption case. Jayalalitha was also accused in the case in 2017. Sasikala was released from the prison on January 27th but had to be in a hospital after she was infected with COVID-19. Sasikala, wearing a green sari, was seen sitting in the front seat in her car that flaunted the AIADMK flag. In the last few days, AIADMK ministers filed a series of complaints asking the police to ban Sasikala from using the party flag. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today urged the farmers to end their protests since November against the three laws, assuring that the system of MSP or minimum support prices would remain in place. He also referenced his predecessor Manmohan Singh as he derided what he called the Congress's U-turn on farm reforms. PM Modi, defending the laws and various steps taken, criticized the opposition parties for what he called their silence on the core issues linked to the farmers' protest. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus, we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel, HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our super supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.